Okay, I'm very excited for breakfast today. I haven't had these since I was a child. Me and my colleague were speaking about favorite cereals and she reminded me of Golden Nuggets. Do you guys remember that? Because I remember the taste even though I haven't had it for centuries. Oh my god, they're smaller than I remember them to be. No, that is way smaller than I remember them to be. Didn't they used to be big? Like at least 3 times the amount. I want more. Whee! They definitely look smaller. Like I swear they were bigger. Let me get into it before I judge it. Do you know what other cereals that I really want to get, but I don't think they do it anymore? Do you remember Sugar Puffs? Apparently they don't do it anymore, the same ones. But let me know if they do. From my Google research, they changed the formula and like it doesn't taste the same. Sugar Puffs used to be the one. Just a little bit more. Okay. That's enough, that's enough. 12 servings? I think not. Let's guess how many servings that's gonna last me. I reckon 5. Yeah, maybe 5 servings. Yeah, I swear they used to be bigger lumps. It's so good. It's the texture that they go into as well. Really, really happy. Anyway, guys, I hope you're having a nice breakfast. It's 11:15 right now, so I'm probably gonna have a little bit of a later lunch. But I'll speak to you then. Peace.